Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. It is a beautiful Friday evening and we are just on our way to meet Mr. Moist Decoy. And then we're going to head up to Matlock. We're going to go meet up with Crazy Legs on the bike, and I believe he's bringing his friend along. I know, can you believe it? He's got some friends. That's not us. Right, I shall see you guys after the intro. We're past 79! Hiya! I don't even want to know how much this is going to cost me. I ain't going more than 30 quid. Hello, you right?
Number 3, yeah?
Yeah, that's it.
Thank you.
Cheers, thank you. Have a great day.
Bye.
Yeah, I'm glad that I put the mesh on, because it's nice to have that breeze just going through you. But if the weather does take a turn, I'm yeah, and obviously I ain't got the top box on. I've got nothing on me, so if it does take a turn, I'm gonna get very cold and wet. I like the idea of those tours, you know, where you pay like 1,500 quid and it's everything apart from your beer and fuel. It's not bad value really when you think about it. If the price of the ferry is 700 quid on its own, so for an extra 800 quid you're getting all your hotels as well. You've got Toro Adventure, that'd be a good one, because obviously you can go over to them and just do purely road riding. You don't have to do the off-roading, you can just do a road riding tour. Yeah, that Toro, I think everything is included, because you stay in the house as well. I think all your meals are provided. I could be wrong, but that's my understanding. All you've got to do is pay for flights. Just keep pedaling, just keep pedaling, just keep pedaling. It's coming up your inside, mate. Just keep pedaling, just keep pedaling. Do you know, have you ever done Cheddar Gorge? Yeah, so I've only ever done it once and I loved it and I want to go down and do it again. But then you've got places like Melton Mowbray. The roads around there are amazing. Come on, you old fart, move forward. Yeah, you've got Melton Mowbray. The roads around there are amazing. Yeah. The Cotswolds. Oh, she's gone bingo tonight with the kids. Yeah, but she's not happy because Matlock is her most favourite place. Yeah. As soon as I said I was going Matlock, she was like, she just gave me the dirtiest look going. Whee! Whoa. This is amazing. I'm trying to keep my eyes on the road and the view. Yep. I don't know, I've got 19 degrees. Absolutely beautiful. Not gonna lie, that'll make a great thumbnail. That's a thumbnail. So look who's turned up. He's become one of them. Look at that. Is that recording? Just beeped. It is recording.
I'm gonna get a bike helmet like yours.
You have got a helmet like mine.
No, I mean the same as yours, but then I thought I can't do that.
Why can't you?
But I was.
Oh, yeah, do it.
Because I do like that one.
They are really, really good helmets. Can you just hear him moaning all the time? Oh, all I can hear is, I ride a GS, I drive a Tesla, I take a cock up the arse. Cattle grid. Look at this, you come out for a ride with your friends and they bring you across cattle grids. She looks like a sheep. Beautiful selection of bikes. Yeah, look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. So that is Jay and Baz on their way home. It is 9 o'clock. Got about a 2-hour ride back home. It's just starting to spit, so hopefully we're not going to hit too much because I've got no waterproofs with me and I'm in my mesh. Is Simon on comms? I do not know. He is on comms. Who's leading? Yeah, it's been an absolute pleasure to be out with you again, mate. Summer evenings, amazing. So have you put that into Dynamic Pro now, have you? That'll do. Shit on the road. Yeah. That is amazing. The GoPro probably won't do it any justice though. The end of this video. That sounds really, really daunting, doesn't it? This is the end of the video. No, just want to say what a great afternoon this has been. You know, it's a Friday evening, everyone's just finished work and we decided to go for a nice ride. Absolutely amazing. I'm regretting it now though, because I think it's about 12 degrees. I'm in my mesh jacket. I've just been hit by a little bit of rain. I can't feel my nipples. It's one of them, and I've still got 50 minutes till I get home. It's starting to get dark. I'm not going to be home till 20 to 11. Bear in mind, I've been up since 4 o'clock this morning as well. It's going to be a long day. But no, just great laugh of what I thought was going to be us sitting around planning the our next couple of rides. It didn't turn into that. It just turned into the same old stuff of terrorising each other. But that's what makes it fun. You know, we're not snowflakes. If you're offended by me calling someone a snowflake, I'm really sorry. I'm not really. Yeah, you know, it's good. We have banter, and that's what I like. You know, I give banter, I receive banter. There's no one, you know, there's nothing harsh meant by it at all, in the slightest little thing. That's how we are. So guys, yeah, like I said, I'm just gonna now just tootle off home. Just had the most amazing route back home. Me and Si's just gone off his own way to home. Honestly, we just had the roads to ourselves, nothing on them, and we've just had loads of fun. I'm on to our last battery. I think I've got a quarter of a battery left, so I didn't want to like waste it all on that. But absolutely amazing ride home. Si, thank you for sharing that with me. Jay, great to see you and your beautiful new BMW R1200 GS TE. Beautiful bike, mate. Baz, great to meet you. Hope to see you again soon. Even though we can't keep up with you. So yes, guys. Just want to say a massive thank you to everyone who's watching, everyone who's supporting the channel. You are all amazing. You know, if it wasn't for you lot, I wouldn't be doing this. Come on. Even just the few comments we actually get is great. So guys, once again, thank you very much. Drop a comment down below. Hit that like button, and yeah, just go and enjoy yourselves. I hope to see you out there.